Take your chicken breast and a very, very sharp knife, and we're going to turn it into a cutlet. Season both sides of your chicken cutlets with some salt, pepper. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Then take your chicken cutlets, put them in flour. We're going to dredge it. Shake off the excess. We're going to add it to the pan, just in batches. Place it on a plate, cover, set it to the side. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And we're going to saute this for about a minute or until it's all fragrant. Now you're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth, or use your wooden spoon to scrape up any naughty bits at the bottom of this, of your heavy whipping cream. And adjust your heat to medium-low. Grated Parmesan. We're going to mix to combine, and we're going to let it simmer about 2 minutes. Of our red pepper flakes. Add oregano. And 1/4 teaspoon of the thyme. And then you're going to salt it and pepper it to your taste. Give this a good mix. Now you're going to add 1/3 cup of the sun-dried tomatoes and some of the oil. Adjust your heat back up to just right before medium and let this simmer 2 to 3 minutes. Bella. Season both sides of your chicken. When everything's good and hot and all melted, add the chicken to the pan. We're going to cook our chicken each side 8 minutes. Flip them. On the same pan, you're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, fresh minced garlic, and 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, put those in there. Now pepper them, salt them. When your tomatoes start to pop, you're going to add 3 cups of baby spinach. We're going to cook this spinach down, wilted. Cook it till it's wilted. We're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a freshly grated Parmesan. Now add your chicken back in, 5 to 7 minutes on low. 3 eggs, whisk them up good, drop your chicken bites in there, get everybody good and coated, put to the side, let it sit for about 10 minutes. 1/2 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Mix it, set it to the side. 1 cup of orange juice, sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar, juice from half the orange that we zested, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of red chili flakes, ginger. Add your cornstarch slurry, add your orange zest, a few pieces of your chicken into it, fry it 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Chicken looks like this, take it out, put it on a paper towel to drain, and toss it into your orange sauce. Give it a good mix, making sure everybody's coated. Some green onion, baby portobello mushrooms. Your chicken breast sliced in half, Ziploc bag them or plastic wrap them and beat the fire out of them. Salt and pepper both sides of your chicken. Salt and pepper your flour. Mix it up. Then we're going to dust our chicken, lightly dust our chicken in the flour. Shake off any excess and then add it to the pan. 5 to 6 minutes each side. We're only going to flip once. After you flip, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and let them cook until they're almost done. Do not remove these naughty bits. Add the remainder of your butter. Let it melt. 8 ounces of sliced baby portobello mushrooms and let them brown. 3 to 5 minutes. 3 tablespoons of diced shallots. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 1/3 cup of chicken broth. 2/3 cups of Marsala wine. 2/3 cups of heavy cream. About 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped thyme. Freshly ground black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon, pinch of salt. Now we're going to give it all a good mix, and we're going to use a wooden spoon, and we're going to scrape off the bits at the bottom. After about 10 minutes, your sauce should be thickened. Now you're going to add your chicken back in, and you're going to cook it until the chicken is warmed through, just like that. Now add your garlic and let them dance around in the pan for a little bit. The chicken, put it in the flour. Floured chicken to the egg to the pan. Just like that. Don't overcrowd them. Let these cook 3 minutes each side. Ooh, bella. Tablespoon of butter. Let it melt while the rest of this cooks. And add the butter and melt it. Now add 1/4 cup of flour and mix it up. 1/2 cup of the white wine. We're going to mix this and let it cook for 2 minutes so that the alcohol evaporates and the flavors get infused. Yeah, flavors. Now pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. Mix it up. Add 2 shallots that have been thinly sliced and 1/2 of the lemon juice squeezed. Just like that. Reduce your heat to medium-low. Put your chicken back in and we're going to cook for about 10 minutes. Plate the chicken, sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley. Oh my God. Get out a mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of honey. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning of red crushed pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest and a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix it up, put to the side. 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of plain panko breadcrumbs. And you're going to stir this constantly 3 to 5 minutes or until the panko is golden brown and toasty. For that, them babies dry with some paper towels and them with a little salt and a little black pepper. Not both sides. Just for our feta cloud, we're going to combine together 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 egg, no shell, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 8 ounces of feta cheese. Get it crumbled and then get it mixed. This is our cloud. Arrange your chicken onto your wire rack and then take your savory cloud icing. Add a thick layer to each piece. Take your panko and add a spoonful to each chicken. Just sprinkle it on there. And then take your fingers and lightly press it into your feta cloud. So nice. Now you're going to bake this at 400 for 25 to 30 minutes. Broil for 2 minutes at the end. Now take your lemon pepper honey and you're going to drizzle it all over your chickens. Serve it with roasted asparagus. Let's try this chicken. Woo, baby. This is going to be a good one. Season both sides of your chicken. Going to sear both sides 2 to 3 minutes. We're just trying to get some color and some flavor on these bad boys. To a baking dish, you're going to add your feta block and your Boursin cheese, right? Now you're going to add in 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes, some garlic cloves, 6 of them. Add your seared, seasoned chicken, and then you're going to drizzle olive oil all over everybody. Now you're going to bake this at 400 for 30 minutes. Cook the pasta al dente, according to the package. When your tomatoes are practically bursting and your chicken is done, take a spoon and you're going to break up your cheese. Add your pasta. And give that a mix. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. Drizzle of that lemon oil on the chicken. 2 lemons, juiced. 1/2 cup olive oil. 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 6 russet potatoes. Cut into wedges. Throw them in a baking dish. Take 1/2 of your lemon oil and you're going to pour it on your potatoes. 6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now we got to season them. A little salt. Black pepper. Smoked paprika. Onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. That's like a teaspoon of each. The remainder of our lemon oil all over the chicken. Now bake this in the oven at 375 for 1 hour. And then put your potatoes back into the oven until they turn golden brown. A little drizzle of that lemon oil on the chicken. Go make it. So good.